So what happens is, if you break a chain, if your chain breaks, either the pin has broken or one of the links has broken. Okay. So what has to happen is, let's say it's this link that is broken. Okay, it doesn't matter actually, whatever breaks. Generally, you're left with that side intact. Okay, it's usually this side that is intact. Sometimes the side is intact, but you've lost the little thing that goes inside there. You see that thing's loose. There's a little O-ring on there that is loose. Okay, and so you've lost that. So what you need to do is you need to get back to a female and a male link. Okay, let's say that this link is broken. The only way that I can join this chain is I need to go there. I can't go there, because then it would be a female and a female. You understand? Simple. I need to go to this link over there. That is the link that I need to get to. Okay. So the way that I get to that link is I break it. I have to put it in here. So this is what I'm doing. I'm putting it in here, and there we go. So now you see how this tool works. It works just like that. There we are. It's blocked on the outside. It needs to. So here's. I think that we're going to eventually land up getting proper tools to be able to supply you guys with proper tools. I think that it just makes perfect sense. But if you go to a shop and you want to buy one of these things, what you need to be make sure of is that you've got a decent block on there, that this thing really works decently. You know. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. You're going to pop that pin. But you must be very careful not to pop the pin completely. Okay, if you pop the pin completely, then you're going to have to go on to the next one because you made a mistake. Okay, that was a mistake. You shouldn't have done that. So when you pop that pin, you pop it so that just a little bit of it is still on this side of the thing. You understand what I'm saying there? You guys understand? So you want a little bit of that pin still to be on this side. So when you take it out of here, okay, you pop the pin. When you take it out of here, it doesn't just come apart. You've got to kind of clip it past that pin now. Okay. If you've done that, then all you do then is you've popped that out. Boom, that's out. So you're going to this, and you have to pop that in there again, and it should sit there by itself, okay, because that little bit of pin is through. Okay, that's when you've done it properly. Okay, then all you do is you put that thing back into your thing. You would have to, go further this way, because now you've got a pin and that thing. So then you put that onto the pin, and you turn this until you've pushed the pin through the chain again, back to normal. Once you've done that, okay, what lands up happening is that place where you've popped that pin through, okay, is a little bit tight. Okay, so if you do that, it kind of sits. You see, like even that. There we are. That's what I mean. It kind of sits in that position, and it doesn't go back to normal. So it's tight. So all you do is you take the chain there, and you just move it a little bit left and right, like that, boom, like that, and there we go. Like that.
But can you do it now for the purpose of showing?
No.
Okay.
Because I told you, this thing is...
But you don't have a tool which you can do it with?
Okay. I might have it, actually. Just a second.